Okay. So some of you haven't submit it to me. Maybe later today if you could. Okay. And some of you also kinda. Oh, Ashley. What? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Wait,
Nothing.
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 Wow.
What's wrong?
It's already fine. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Okay. So some of you still get confused with the few, most, some, etc. Okay. What is it, Ashley?
Um, I can speak English. Can I speak Indonesian for little?
Yes, go ahead.
Mister ini laptop tuh kan habis baterainya habis kan Mister itu mesti mukaku nge-lag Mister.
Okay, that's fine.
And one more thing Mister,
Okay.
why your voice still so deep,
No,
Mister?
my voice is already the same. My voice is the same, right?
Yes. Fine.
My voice is same, right?
Fine.
Yeah, fine. Nothing
Ashley
happened.
was joking. Yeah, fine.
Nothing
It is
happened.
fine, right? Nothing's
Yes.
weird, right?
Yes. Nothing happened.
Great. On English.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let's be a little bit serious right now. Because this is your last class for today. Let's just have a little bit of fun. So that's fine. Okay. Okay. So this is on page 12. You can open page 12. I want to explain about a few, some, most, all, and no. Okay.
Okay.
I think you already know about no and about all. Okay. No means there is no one accept that. No one take that. And then all means that means everyone have that. But some of you still get confused with some and few. Now, can someone explain to me the meaning of some?
Some is
You could say it in bahasa, it's okay because it's a meaning.
beberapa.
Beberapa. Okay, some is beberapa. How about a few?
Beberapa.
You is I think the same.
Yes. Now, in context, for when you translate it from English to Indonesian, it's the same thing. It's the same word. But the difference between these two, for some, it's about half of it. At least half of it. You could say some. It's not much, but it's not too small either. So it's half of it. While a few, that means maybe a third of it. So if we see over here, there are 6 people, or there are 6 people in here, right? Carla, Max, Lola, Ben, Ruby, and Lucas. Now, which one of the questions in here is using a few?
Do you always pick up litter?
Yes, that is a few. That's right. Now, which one is using some?
Do you walk or ride a bike to school?
Yes, that's right. Can you see the difference? While the first one, do you recycle, is most. Oops, sorry. Let's use another color for that one. Why is it most for do you recycle?
Because it is almost all.
Yes, because it's almost all. Only Ben who doesn't recycle. Everyone understand? With some, a few, and most?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So understand, right?
Mister itu halaman berapa?
12. It's on page 12.
Michael, you say Indonesia.
Oh yes, Michael speaking bahasa. That means you have to come back again, Michael. Bye bye. I have to remove you. Okay. Thank you for reminding me for that one. Thank you. Okay. Do you have any questions with all, some, few, and most?
No. Oh, no.
Okay. I will write down
Michael,
the
Mister.
most. What is it, Clement?
Michael kicked for 5 minutes.
He can immediately come back.
Apa? Oh,
He can immediately come back. I just remove him. He can immediately come back. If he doesn't come back, well, we'll see. Okay, most is what is in bahasa for most?
Hampir semua.
Kebanyakan. Okay, that is most in bahasa. So we know that because it's most. Wait a minute. I have some text. So okay. Okay, so it's most. Most means almost everyone, or for example, if there are 5 people, only 5 people who recycle, what do we say? Most, some, or a few?
Most.
Yes, we still use most. Yes, this one is 5 people, right? How about 4 people that only recycle?
Some.
We still say most because it's more than half. So most is more than half. Okay, understand with this one? Okay. Maybe, yes, Michael is coming in again. Okay, let's wait for Michael so that I can explain this one again. So Michael. Okay. Michael, welcome back. Welcome back, Michael. I'm explaining.
What page is it?
It's on page 12. Page 12, right there.
What?
It's page 12. Page 12. It's page 12. Okay. So these are about some, a few, and most. Okay. So let me explain it again. Some, that means it's half of it. A few, less than half. And then most is more than half. So in the middle of it is some. Okay. Do you have any questions for this one?
No.
No? Can I move? Can I move to the next grammar?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will erase the writings, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me move it first. Oh, before I continue, I need to remind you that there are lots of vocabularies in here, in these 2 units. So I hope that you at least read about it in your book, okay?
Mister.
Yes, Clement.
Deva legging.
Zeva is lagging?
Yes.
Oh, he's not even here.
Hmm.
Okay, let's just wait for him, okay? That's fine. Okay.
What page it is, Mister?
This is page. So this one is
Oh, page 22.
page 23. Yeah,
Page 23.
page 23.
Alright.
What?
Page 23.
23.
23. 23. Page 23. So
Okay.
now we are talking about accusative verbs. Okay, we're talking about causative verbs, okay? So this means that something happened after another thing happened. We use it with a past tense. Why? Because it's already happened. That's why we call it as causative. So it's to describe actions that we ask someone else to do for us. So if it's something that we do or someone else do it for us, it's it's in the causative verbs. Okay, for example, we had, what do we use in here? Us or our? What kind of pronouns? Which pronoun it
We
is?
had dinner.
No, 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 no. We had our meal cooked um,
2 days ago.
3 hours ago. Not 2 days ago. If it's 2 days ago, it will be already spoiled. The meal already spoiled. Don't. Don't. Okay? Don't. Okay. Okay. So give me 5 examples using causative verbs. Let me ask one by one, okay? Let me ask one by one. I will choose one by one. The first one will be Valerie. Give me an example of causative verbs, Valerie. If you look into the example, it says, I had my bike fixed last week. That means we have to use the past tense. So, do you have any idea, any other sentence using that? What is it? You spoke in Bahasa? Did you spoke in Bahasa? Valerie, I need to know if you speak in Bahasa or not.
Remove Valerie. Remove
No, no.
Valerie.
How about everyone? Did everyone hear her speak in Bahasa or not?
No.
I don't know. I'm not listening. I don't know.
No.
Maybe no.
Maybe no. Maybe no. Okay. I also didn't really hear it. Okay, Zefa. What is it, Zefa? What do you mean, Zefa?
I'm liking.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Valerie, give me an example using a causative verbs. You could say I what?
I rode a bike 3 hours ago.
Okay, let's say I rode a bike 3 hours ago. Thank you, Valerie, for the example. Okay, now, is this a causative verbs or not?
Yes.
Okay, Fael said yes. This is a causative verbs. Justin said yes. Now, if we look into our book, the causative verbs, you have to use have
No,
and past participle of the verb. That means,
no.
yes, that is Valerie's example is not a causative verb, but we can change it. It's okay, we can change it. So I had my bike. I have my bike what?
My bike.
Right.
Loaded. I didn't.
Ridden.
Didn't.
Ridden 3 hours ago. Okay.
Written with
Oh,
2 D's or 1 D?
It's supposed to be with 2D. I'm sorry.
100 years.
Written 3 hours ago. Okay, we have to be careful because it's past participle. That means it's verb 3, not verb 2. Okay?
There verb 4.
What? Is there any verb 4?
Verb 6, verb 10, verb 100.
I don't know if there's any verb 4 or not.
0.
Okay.
Verb 0.
Wait, you said verb 0?
Right?
You said verb zero?
Hey, hello.
Good.
Are you toxic?
No, I'm not toxic. I'm just saying, do you said the verb zero?
What you say?
I'm asking, do you say the verb zero? Okay. Okay. Let's continue, okay? This is about positive verbs. Yes.
Mister.
Yes, what is it, Ashley?
Your voice.
My voice, what?
For 0.1. Is there for
Wait,
0.2
mister.
for 0.
Your voice.
Is there
My
for
voice.
2.8 for 1.5?
Like I don't know.
What do you
I can
mean?
English. Can I speak Indonesian?
Okay, go ahead.
Mister itu Misternya pakai voice apa emang Mister itu pakai voice apa emang pakai aplikasi apa loh Mister?
I just use my own voice.
Oh Mister.
Liar.
I'm just using my own voice. You could see at the recording. You could see at the recording, okay?
Liar.
You could see at the recording later. You could see at the recording later. It's just my own voice, okay?
You lie.
It's just my own voice. You can see at the recording later. You could see. You could see at the recording and then you could just comment it. Okay. Do you have any questions with this one?
No.
Let me ask first. Do you have any questions? No. Okay. So I will tell you later, okay, after the class, okay? I will tell you later after the class. Okay, if you don't have any questions with this one, I'm gonna move on to the next one, which is in Unit 2, about the wonderful world. And now, this one. This is on page 34, okay? This is on page 34. So we already studied about past tense. We already know about past tense. We just need to add ago. Do you have any difficulties with this one?
No.
No? Okay. So if you don't have any difficulties with this one, is it okay if I just skip it?
What did you say?
Did you
I say, is it okay if I just skip it?
Christina, what did you say?
I said,
Christina.
is it okay if I just skip it?
Our teacher is an ant. Yes, check
What do you mean by an ant? I'm not an ant at all.
Mister, can I call you Mister? Yes.
What do you mean by that, Ashley? You want me to be Miss Dina? I will let Miss Dina go out for a while.
Okay, Mister. Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So we're with Miss Dina, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Now, do you have any questions with the past tense with the go?
No.
No. Okay.
No, Miss.
Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Our next grammar, the last grammar in the unit 2, which is on page 45. Page 45, we already talked about might and could, right? It's a page 45. Okay, we already talked about. Okay, wait. Attention with everyone in class grade 5. Let's open page 45.
Okay, can I call you
45.
Yeah, page 45.
Miss?
I didn't speak like a weirdo, Justin. What is it?
What page it is?
It's page 45, Ashley.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. I didn't speak like a weirdo. It's just my voice. My voice like that. Yes, Justin?
Please stop that girl sound.
What girl sound? There's nothing. You could see at the recording later on.
Hey, stop it.
Okay.
Unlike Miss.
Okay, let's go back to Mr. Danny for a little bit.
Wait, why you not
Okay.
Why you not Miss Tina?
Because Mr. Danny want to explain this one. Okay, for might and could, okay?
After that Miss Tina can ya Miss Tina.
Okay, for might and could, this is possibilities. You can use this one if you think there will be a possibility for the future. For example, it might be, could be. Okay, do you understand the difference between might and could?
I don't know.
Okay, so if might, you could say might is around 80%. The chance, okay, the chance 80% until until 90%. Okay, from 80% until 90%. But for could, it's usually around 60 until let's just say 70. 60 until 70. Okay, so it's lower. If you said could, it's lower. The chances are lower. Okay, now before we go to the next one, there's something else that I want to show you that several of you from the worksheet got it kind of mistaken. Okay, um, there are several words that we have. Wait, let me check. Okay, the first one is, what is a doctor for an animal? Do you know?
Veterinary. Page is that,
Yes,
Mister?
it's vet. This is page 31. Okay, so the veterinarian, it's a doctor for animal. Now, who or a person who make music, what do you call them?
Composer.
Composer. It's composer.
Composer.
Okay, so it's composer.
Imposter.
No, it's not imposter. You don't say it's imposter. You said it composer, not imposter.
I am a crewmate.
Mister.
Yes, Ashley.
Christian is playing something, Mister.
Miss who? Miss who?
Miss Tina.
Oh, Miss Dina is playing something. I don't know.
No, Miss Christian, Mister.
Miss Dia.
Is playing
Christian.
something.
Oh, Christian. Christian. What are you playing? Can you see? Can you show it to me? Kenny, can you turn on your camera, Kenny? Kristen, what were you playing just now? What were you doing just now, Christian?
That Mister.
Do not play with that, okay? I know it's kind of boring, but please pay attention, okay? Do not play with it. Thank you. Okay. Kenny, your camera, Kenny. Thank you. Okay. So, do you understand with this one?
Yes.
Yes.
80% yes.
Okay. Okay, if you understand, let me ask you about the journal. Um, I already told you the journal until page 13, right?
I already done it, Mister.
Okay, you already done it. Good. Good. Okay, yes, I already got it.
Yesterday I submit to
Yes.
Memani.
Thank you. I already accept that. I already got it from Memnani. Thank you. So for those who haven't sent it to me, please give it to me. Whether it's through WhatsApp or it's through you give it to me immediately at school. Okay. Do you have any questions with the review for today?
No.
No? I hope it can help you for the worksheet too. Don't worry, we will discuss the worksheet on Thursday, okay? If you,
Thanks.
if you
Okay,
think
we
that's it,
waiting.
I will stop
yes,
the
yes.
sharing. I will stop the sharing, okay? I will stop the sharing.
Oh, your class done?
Yes, and that means our class is finished. Thank you.
Miss,